Now in this video we will be finalize the map. So firstly I put the north arrow, like this one will be my north arrow. You can also copy and paste it, but I also draw another one for this. Okay, this one will be okay. I want to remove this letter, but it's not good because these people work too much. But if you remove it, so you can click it and go to your this one and paste like this one. Okay, another is the scale bar. Go to your scale bar. So I created my own scale bar, so you can also create it by own scale bar if you not watch the video. So there is some video, you can also create your own scale bar. So I want to, for example, paste here. Okay, and okay, I think this will be better. And I also create a scale bar for this thing. Yes, okay, so this will be my scale bar. I save it. North arrow scale bar. And now the last is the grid. So you want to click it and you want to this one. Okay, you want to remove this line, so go to your properties, go to the map frame. Okay, so I want to check where is the, I think if I go to background is not shadow and the borderline. Okay, so if I go to no color, just wait a minute, what will be happening? Okay, so I think that no changes occur. Just wait a minute. If I do something, my frame, this is will be okay. Border, no color, and this one, okay, wait. Just wait a minute. If I do something, so I think we will open the map frame. So I want to open the grid. Open the, yes, grid, open, and go to my the grid lines, and I go to no color and apply it. Okay, so it will be remove it, and go to your map frame, go to this. Okay, so I want to this one is vertically, so vertically will be my vertically visible will be my east and west. Okay, and east one. Okay, so you can see it, it will be vertically. And then I also create a grid. If I open the property, the east and the west, so it would be, you can see it, and go to your grid line and go to your non-color. I want not to visibly. Okay, so you can create your grid line easily. You can save it, and you can also like little bit move this one, so in order to create a gap. So in next video we will be finalize it, because time screen timing is now over.